Here's your 60-second script. Solving differential equations by hand is tedious, error-prone, and honestly just painful. That's where Euler's method comes in, and this free calculator does the heavy lifting for you. Just enter your differential equation, your starting point, your target x value, and your step size. The calculator walks through every iteration automatically, showing you each intermediate value so you actually understand what's happening. Final answer. Let's say you have dy dx equals x plus y, starting at x equals 0, y equals 1, and you want to reach x equals 1 using steps of point 1. Plug those in, hit calculate, and instantly you get a clean table showing every step of the approximation. It's perfect for checking homework, studying for exams, or just building intuition around numerical methods. Try the Euler's Method ODE calculator for free. Link is right below this video.